Hi YouTube, hope you guys are having a beautiful day. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a mandi. So this is my take on the recipe, so this is my version. So first you guys need to make a secret spice powder in order to marinate the chicken. So this is the fine powder of black pepper powder, coriander powder, clove powder, and cardamom powder, cumin powder, and a pinch of turmeric, and also a few saffron threads. So this is a spice mixture that you need to marinate the chicken with some olive oil and also some chopped onions. And we also need some chopped onions, garlic, and also green chilies. So this will be used to make the Arabic rice. And not to forget, we also need some extra virgin olive oil and fresh chicken stock. So I have boiled some chicken stock with some bones. So I'm going to keep this aside because I'm going to use this to cook my rice. So you can use chicken stock purchased from the shop, or you can make it fresh. So I'm going to fry the onions and all the other ingredients, the onion, the garlic, the ginger, and some butter. I'm going to fry it in my rice cooker, and I'm adding the rice. This is the long grain basmati rice which I'm adding in. So you also need to add the water has to be a 1:2 ratio. So 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. At the same time, while the rice is cooking, I'm going to add my chicken to the oven, and I'm going to cook at 180 degrees for about 1 hour and about 10 minutes. The rice is beautifully cooked and it's so fluffy, and the chicken is also cooked. And we are going to smoke the chicken and the rice. So I'm going to make my charcoal. I'm using coconut shell to make my charcoal. And I'm going to put it on a silver kind of small pan, and then I'm adding in my charcoal, and I'm going to drizzle a few drops of olive oil into the charcoal. So it's going to create the smoke, and then I'm going to cover it up, let the smoke get trapped into the chicken and the rice. So it's going to create that smoky flavor of the rice and the chicken. I think it's more than 10 minutes now. I'm going to take it off, and then we are going to start serving and enjoy the beautifully cooked chicken and the rice. Trust me guys, I and my cousins tried this recipe, and it's absolutely magic. The rice was very flavorful, the chicken was very moist, it was very juicy, the chicken was very juicy, the rice was very fluffy, and it was a lovely dish that we enjoyed for the dinner. So do try this recipe at home guys. This is a very simple dish. You just need saffron is one of the key ingredients in this dish. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe. Love you all.